Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. For this simple card I am using the Frosty Friends from Hello Bluebird and then the basic circles from Mama Elephant. So first of all I am going to color Noline coloring, so I decided to take some Strathmore Bristol smooth cardstock and I die cut a circle out of it using the basic circles from Mama Elephant. And then I decided to make a scene on top of it using the bear that is part of the Frosty Friends from Hello Bluebird, and some trees and stuff like that. So I'm stamping it out using the fade out Noline coloring detail ink from Ink on 3, and I am making a mask in between for the bear because I wanted to have the trees behind him. So first I had to stamp out the bear, cover it, and then I could stamp out the trees as well. So I know that while I am stamping it out, it's not really clear where the images are on camera, but it will be clear in a few seconds when I start coloring. So for the sentiment I decided to use my tried Marigold Distress Oxide ink because it's really soft as well, and this way I thought that it would match better with my images, which were going to be Noline. So with black it would be too harsh in my opinion. And then I could remove my mask and start coloring. So for those who are interested in the colors that I am using, they are listed below for each image, and I will put on some music and be back after. So to finish the scene, I decided to add a snow border, but because of the Noline coloring and keeping it simple, I just added it using a really pale blue Ziegling color real brush marker, and I also added some details using the glitter pen from Fawn on top of this hill. And then I decided to add some snow sort of glitter drops in the sky using the same glitter pen from Fawn. I'm really sorry for the lighting that is changing all the time. It's because I'm filming with daylight and sometimes it's just getting in the way of a clear light source. So I decided to die cut a circle border using 2 circles from the basic circles from Mama Elephant, and I added the same dried marigold as in the text bubble onto the edges of it so that it could match with the scene. I added this blended piece onto the same size circle frame so that it would be a bit higher than my scene on the card, and then I set it aside to dry. So when everything was dry, I took it to my card panel, which is an American base A2 size card, and I adhered first the frame and then I inlaid the scene. And that finishes my card. I hope you like this simple card design, and if you have any questions, please comment them below, and I will be back next time. Bye!